In a matter of days, a huge portion of the core technical leadership at XAI simply vanished. The losses include senior engineers and high-profile co-founders, marked notably by the back-to-back resignations of Jimmy Ba and Tony Wu. That brings the total count to 5 original founders walking out the door. It is a nearly 50% attrition rate at the very top of the company. This internal bleeding is happening while competitors in China and the US are rapidly deploying new, hyper-realistic video generation and coding models. For a 2.5-year-old startup trying to build state-of-the-art artificial intelligence, losing half of your founding brain trust all at once looks like a massive structural failure. These resignations align with a noticeable stall in XAI software development. It has been 7 months since they released Grok 4.0, their last major iteration. During that exact same quiet period, rival AI labs have pushed out up to 6 major updates to their own models. The departure of the top engineers correlates directly with a severe, measurable slowdown in getting new software out the door. The trigger for this exodus was a missed deadline. Elon Musk reportedly expressed sharp dissatisfaction when the delayed Grok 4.2 update failed to launch on time. Musk operates with zero tolerance for push timelines, especially when competing at the bleeding edge of a new technology sector. He manages his teams using a metric often described internally as the density of intensity, requiring extreme leverage and output from every individual. To see how that operates in practice, look at a recent engineering applicant. He was given exactly 48 hours to completely rebuild the onboarding flow for the entire X platform from scratch. He delivered it and got the job. That expectation of constant, exponential speed breaks standard software development cycles. It naturally pushes out researchers who rely on methodical, quarter-by-quarter planning. To enforce this velocity, Musk initiated a massive reorganization, brutally flattening the corporate hierarchy into 2 distinct management layers. They treat software like a physical production line. The team running the entire global X platform relies on a cluster of just 30 engineers. Now, XAI is directly integrating with SpaceX. This merger is designed to force the rapid, physical execution speeds of a rocket manufacturer onto an artificial intelligence lab. Eliminating middle management and merging with a heavy aerospace operation immediately filters out anyone looking for a comfortable corporate tech environment. While XAI's software development has struggled to keep pace, their physical infrastructure strategy is succeeding. They recently finished deploying the largest coherent cluster of H100 GPUs, the specialized chips required to train AI, in the world. They are building data centers faster than anyone else in the industry. Contrast that ruthless hardware execution with competitors like OpenAI and Anthropic. At those labs, leading safety executives are actively resigning, some literally isolating themselves to write poetry due to philosophical fears about AI alignment. XAI is actively shedding the culture of an academic research lab and rebuilding itself as a massive industrial hardware complex. This pivot supports a highly eccentric roadmap. The stated plan is to use a SpaceX mass driver to physically launch materials and construct active AI data centers on the moon within 5 years. Attempting to establish lunar computing infrastructure in 5 years requires an intensity that entirely bypasses the physical and mental limits of a normal tech startup. The departure of half the founding team is the expected result of this process. Musk is deliberately dropping corporate weight so the machinery can move fast enough